Good evening, everyone. How you guys doing right now? So yeah, if you may have noticed, I said I would show you what Gundam looks like. This is what Gundam is right here. This modeling kit. And me and my friend Sammy, my staff worker Sammy, we just put this whole thing together today. Just finished them off. It took a lot of work to do it, but look how good it turned out. The legs move, the shield is great. The gun's awesome. I love the gun. It's totally awesome. So yeah, this is my collection vault right here. I got this little guy at a dumpster at work when I was taking the garbage out. There was a box on the ground, so I just took it out. Got some Fortnite skins, some Asteroid, Pokemon, some geocaching, but how awesome is this Gundam right here? Oh, and these are my friends from my church right there. That's the Christmas card I got, and it's totally awesome. So yeah, let me show you what Gundam is right now. Go in the kitchen. So yeah, Gundam takes a little bit of time and a little bit of patience. So this will look like when it's done. And here are the instructions on how to build. You gotta go step by step, and it's incredibly a little challenging and somewhat confusing. You gotta go by 1, the head, 2, the body, and a few other parts goes with it. Then they click right on, like so. And then it just goes through numbers like that. Then it goes basically like this. And then there it is, completion. Totally complete. This will be the next project that Sam and I will be building next week. I will be filming it or maybe do a live stream, but you know what, I'll probably be filming it because it's probably going to take a little longer than you think. But yeah, guys, if you love anime, you're going to love this. It's awesome. This is what it looks like when the pieces are together, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in the box right now. So yeah, that's the instructions, which it looks like similar, but how awesome this thing looks right now, guys. If you love anime, shoot me a comment or what's your favorite anime. For mine, example is like One Piece, or yeah, it's mostly this One Piece. So yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, here are the stickers, which we can't take out yet. And each of the parts have its own order. This is an A, so it goes step by step as the instructions grow, as you can see by the instructions right here. Like, as you can tell, like C17, C19. Each of them will have a letter and a certain part that goes with it. So just be aware that, for example, this says a D, so that's something. And I spot a fly with my little eye flying around my kitchen. I'm gonna have to kill him later. So yeah, so yeah, guys, this is a great hobby to get into. It's awesome, it's fun, it's great, it's totally awesome. They are expensive, I'm not gonna lie about that, but it's totally worth it if they're on sale. So shoot me a like and shoot me a comment, or if you have any Gundams, shoot me an idea of what the next Gundam should be. Of course, I'm gonna start working on this guy, but if you wanna see more Gundam, shoot me a like, shoot me a comment, and just shoot me of any ideas you want me to do. All right, go Hot Dog Nation. I'll see you guys some other time. See you guys on Saturday morning for the 5K run. And peace.